Over 90% of people have on their bucket list that they want to write a book. Are you one of them? Well, listen on for a few minutes and let me show you how I can help you fulfill that dream. My name's Karen Newton. I'm the founder of Karen Newton International, and I am a multiple #1 international best-selling author. My books have also gone to #1 in over 6 countries. So I know a little bit about writing books. And this is my very first book that I wrote. This was the original cover, and it's now grown to this. This book has been revised several times. And I have that control because I self-publish. And I'm able to market the books, design what I want, write the content, get the story out the way that I want it to be told, not the way that an editor or a publisher is telling me I need to present it. When you self-publish, you have control over every aspect of the writing, the creativity, putting it all together and seeing the finished product there. Plus, you then got to market it. So my course, Desktop Publisher, writing, publishing and marketing your own book. The link's below if you want to take a look at it. This course was run, we've been running it now for 5 or 6 years and helping people to write their own books. We have many clients who have achieved their dream of writing their book, publishing it, and then marketing it and building it into a business. Some have gone on to become bestsellers, some haven't, some just wanted to have that book available. So Desktop Publisher is all about how you can write your book, how to publish it online, and then how to market your book. So why don't you join many clients and join me in becoming a published author? The link is below.